This is the underhood portion of the 1976 Plymouth Volare project. This is an original engine to this car. It is a 318 two-barrel V8 engine. It had air conditioning. It still has power steering, and it is a power brake, disc brake car, but I believe all the Volares had disc brakes. 1976, Plymouth was putting that like a standard option, I believe. This car has most of, if everything, original to it, except maybe the heater hoses. The air conditioner has been removed, including the condenser. But I've identified a lot of the stuff that needs to be done to it. This engine, I would say, hasn't run in 20 years. I would like to completely lubricate the engine and then give it a nice try to unseize it if it is seized. I don't want to try and turn over an engine that's been sitting that long and dry and no oil moving. So that's just one of the steps that I do just in case. Of course, all the plugs will be out of it when I do make that turn, but those plugs will stay in until I'm satisfied I have left the oil in there long enough to do the job. And there's always a valve open on the intake and on the exhaust on these V8s, so there'll be a catch pan under the exhaust to catch that one valve leaking out the oil on that one cylinder. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and move ahead on this one, even though I don't have the title yet, but I just wanted to bring an update on it, that I just hate to see a car just sitting like these have been sitting. Now that I'm retired, I have time to fool around with them. Thanks for watching.